Welcome to the Epic Compare channel. If you love discovering extraordinary designs and incredible spaces, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. In today's video, we're going to take you on a journey through some of the most unique and magical dragon head fireplaces you can imagine. Let's dive in and explore these incredible designs that will surely spark your imagination. You walk into a room and your eyes are immediately drawn to a breathtaking dragon head fireplace. Not just any ordinary fireplace, but a true work of art. Crafted from thousands of shimmering crystals, the dragon's face seems almost alive, glowing with an ethereal light. Each scale sparkles like starlight, and the fire inside its open jaws dances wildly. The warm, golden glow spreads throughout the room, wrapping everything in a cozy embrace. Floor-to-ceiling windows frame a stunning view of a snowy mountain range with a perfectly still lake reflecting the sky. The scene outside feels untouched, like a world frozen in time, and the dragon's fiery breath creates a beautiful contrast. It's as if you've stepped into a fairy tale, where nature's raw beauty meets the fantasy of ancient creatures. Next, imagine being transported to a sunlit Mediterranean villa. In the center of the room, a vibrant ceramic dragon stands proudly. Its scales are painted in bold, lively colors, blues, greens, and golds that seem to shimmer with the sunlight. The hand-painted details give it a playful, almost mythical energy. Inside its open mouth, the fire crackles softly, adding warmth to the space. Through sleek glass doors, the endless blue of the Mediterranean Sea stretches out, calming and inviting. The gentle rhythm of the ocean waves outside blends seamlessly with the warmth and energy inside the room, where the dragon's fiery breath matches the movement of the sea. This space feels alive, modern yet timeless, where the dragon becomes a part of the natural beauty surrounding it. For those who appreciate history, picture a bronze dragon fireplace in a cozy New England library. The dragon's weathered snout and intricate scales show the passage of time, like it has been guarding the hearth for centuries. The roaring fire inside illuminates the dark wood of the shelves and the rich mahogany of the furniture. Plush velvet armchairs create a comfortable spot by the fire, while outside, the crisp air is filled with the sound of rustling autumn leaves. The gardens outside are carefully manicured, adding a touch of elegance to the peaceful setting. Imagine stepping into a luxurious Italian villa, where the centerpiece of the living room is a regal marble dragon head fireplace. The craftsmanship is nothing short of breathtaking, with each chiseled detail showcasing classical precision and elegance. The marble surface shimmers under soft lighting, enhancing the intricate features of the dragon's face. Inside its open mouth, a warm, glowing fire crackles, casting a gentle light that fills the room with a cozy, inviting atmosphere. The surrounding space is just as stunning. Smooth marble floors gleam beneath opulent draperies that frame the room with rich, luxurious fabric. Through large windows, you're treated to a magnificent view of the rolling hills of Tuscany, adding an extra layer of serenity to this already peaceful retreat. In the heart of the Bavarian Alps, imagine a rustic lodge where a bronze dragon guards the hearth. Its rugged design with sharp angles and detailed features mirrors the wild, untamed pine forest outside. The mist clings to the ancient trees, giving the landscape a mysterious feel. Inside, the fire burns brightly, sending an amber glow bouncing off the wooden beams and fir throws scattered throughout the room. A golden dragon standing proudly in the grand hall of an English manor. Its gilded scales gleam under the light of crystal chandeliers, casting soft flecks of light across the room. Oil paintings hang on the walls and silk drapes cascade down, filling the space with an air of elegance. Through arched windows, you can see rolling hills stretching as far as the eye can see, painted in deep greens. The golden dragon turns every gathering in the manor into a royal affair. Thank you for joining us on this journey through these magical and stunning dragon head fireplaces. We hope you found inspiration in these incredible designs that transform any room into a work of art. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the Epic Compare channel for more unique and amazing content. We appreciate your support, and we look forward to bringing you even more exciting ideas in the future. Thanks for watching.